Hi everyone, happy Monday. I wanted to put together a quick video on expectations for the exploration assignment that you will be putting together this week. I'm on the course homepage here and I wanted to show you a couple things. First off, when I go to the assignment for your exploration assignment, I want you to see that the scenario is here. During a recent visit with a female relative, the relative informs you she has been diagnosed with osteopenia, a precursor to osteoporosis. In order to help your relative, you decide to research this disease further. Okay? Now, pay special attention to these points. Number one, research using a minimum of 2 sources. You can use your textbook, but at least one has to be from the Gale Reference Library. Now, if you've already watched the live classroom from this week, you will see that the live classroom, I did go over where to find that Gale Reference Library. I will show you again in this video. Okay, number 2, in a minimum of 2 pages. That does not include your title page and that does not include your references page. I want to see 2 full pages of typed content. Okay, and what I want you to see, or what I want to see covered are explain how osteoporosis develops. Okay, what are the causes? What happens to your bones in osteoporosis? Okay, potential causes. Are there more than one cause? Does it have anything to do with age, nutritional status, other diseases, medications? What are all of the causes? And last but not least, describe ways your relative can prevent osteoporosis. Okay, there's many options. I want you to think about food and exercise and medications and any possibility for preventing osteoporosis. Okay, so there's 3 main subject areas. So when you're working on your paper, what I'd really recommend is 5 paragraphs. Okay, first paragraph, introduction to the topic. Second paragraph, explain how osteoporosis develops. Third paragraph, explain the causes. Fourth paragraph, explain how osteoporosis can be prevented. Fifth paragraph, conclusion, kind of wrap it all up. Okay, so what I want you to see now in terms of how do I begin researching for this project. Again, I went over this in the live classroom, but just as to make it extra clear, you're going to go to the course homepage and you're going to click on this link called Student Success. Student Success brings you to a page with a lot of great information, but what we're looking for specifically right now is at the bottom. First, structure and function of the human body guide, and we'll go there in just a minute. But second, I want you to see that there is an APA template here. Okay, when you download that APA template to your computer, what you will have is this, is a Microsoft Word document already formatted according to APA guidelines. So you just go in and you type in, instead of title of paper, you type in the title of your paper. Instead of your name, you put in your actual name, John Smith, whatever your name might be. So change all of this information so that it reflects your specific paper. The body of the paper, again, is already formatted using an appropriate font. And then the references page should have references or citations, for any source information you used. Okay. I wanted to show you a good example of a student paper that I received last quarter. So this particular paper is on multiple sclerosis. So the title page is formatted according to APA guidelines. The paper, we have a nice paragraph structure. We have 1 paragraph on each topic area, introductory paragraph, as well as a conclusion paragraph. And we continue to scroll down and we see a references page that has all 3 sources that the student used, okay, on a separate page. When I share this video with you guys, I will also share an example of a great paper. I will share the rubric, which is my grading guide that says, all right, if you did this, that, and that, well, then you earn a 50. If you need to improve in this area, here is your score. Look at that rubric when you're writing your paper so you can see what is it that I'm looking for in regards to content and formatting. And please, if you have any questions on any of these things as you're working on it, let me know. So back to that student success page, I'm going to click on Structure and Function of the Human Body Guide. Scroll down below this paper, below this image, and I'm going to click on Gale Reference Library. Now remember, that is where at least one of your sources has to come from. The Gale Reference Library couldn't be more user-friendly. It is so easy to navigate. So it's going to bring you to this page where you can search on osteoporosis. So I'm going to search osteoporosis, and I'm going to see what it brings up for me. And it has 1,200 results, so plenty of information to write your paper. I'm going to click on this first link and just show you that not only is there a lot of great information in this article, but here, when I click on the button that says Cite, and then I click APA 7th edition, guess what? I can copy and paste this right into my document. I now have my citation in my references. So here we go, delete what was already there, and there we go, there is my citation. So it's that easy. I know that citation can feel a little overwhelming if you're new to writing academic papers, but hopefully that Gale library will make it a bit easier for you. One last thing I wanted to show you was Grammarly. I know I mentioned it in class too, but Grammarly, I would highly recommend signing up for a free Grammarly account. Use your Rasmussen email address. It will set you up with a great or a free login and a great way to check your paper for spelling, grammatical, punctuation errors, all of those things that we don't want to see in your paper, but sometimes it's hard to edit your own paper. So Grammarly is a great resource for that. So reach out if you have questions. Otherwise, great luck or good luck on your paper. Have a great week, and we'll see you soon.